Hello guys, welcome to today's class. Today we want to teach you how you can make an invitation card in Canva. Let me put on my Malam cap. Yes, my Malam cap. Yeah. So from here you can click on you are looking for an invitation card. So invitation card. So let's wait for it. It will bring us different no. Um, no, this is not what we're looking for. Let's check. Let's click on create. Yes, exactly. This is it. Invitation. Invitation card here. So it will ask you whether you want it landscape or portrait. Let's choose this portrait. This is for an empty, like this is a blank page which you can start with. So there are lists of templates available for you at this point. Look at, we have different kinds of templates. Let's click on. I love this template. And then from this template here, you can see that, this is my Malam cap. There's a way it's fitting on my head. So this is a retirement. You can change it to invite you to. You can change this now. You are invited to our wedding. Our wedding. Let's say wedding anniversary. Let's remove it and I think that one anniversary like this. I think this is it. Then let's gather to appreciate the. Let's move a bit. Let's gather to appreciate the dedication and achievement. So we can now change it to our wedding. You are invited to our wedding anniversary. Let's gather to appreciate and dedicate and the dedication. We change this to appreciate the love, commitment, and gratitude towards the success of this marriage. The success of our marriage. As you can see from here, you can see that then you can now add the date. You can still change the date. Let's say from here you can change the date to September. We are currently in April, and that can still stand. And look at the time. You can change it to the church you want to make your anniversary, and then RSVP, your phone numbers that you want people to reach out to you. This is my Malam cap. Let me adjust it. No, I'm teaching you today. You are taking it for granted. But please and please, just know very well that me, I'm teaching you. I'm trying to impact you. So you are laughing. When they give you a job that you should design, then you know that yes, this is serious. So thank you. And so this is not much. You don't do anything plenty here. That's just all. And then once you finish like this, how will you export? Most people are asking me, how will I export? Then you can still share anyway. When you finish editing, you can share. If you want to share with somebody, you can come here. Look at it. Download. Let me move this way. Look at it. Download from here. You click on this download. It will ask you which format you want to download. This is PNG. This is SVG. SVG is scalable vector graphics. This is JPEG. This is a picture format, the normal standard format. So you can select from here. Click on the JPEG. You want to increase size, you want it to remain that size. The quality 100%. And then if you want these settings to be continuous when you are doing it, you can check this box. Then you click download. For this download, you wait a bit. Once it downloads, you see it in your download folder. Once the download, look at it up here. You see it in your download folder. You open, and then there, look at it here. That's all. Let's go back. And please, if you love this tutorial, please support us by subscribing. Thank you, and I hope to see you at the top.